Welcome to our comparison of two compact washing machines designed for small spaces. The Erivess Compact Mini Twin Tub and the Portable Washing Machine. Today, we'll dive into their features, capacities, and overall usability to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. When it comes to washing capacity, the Erivess Compact Mini Twin Tub offers a substantial 20 pounds capacity for washing and 12 pounds for spinning, making it ideal for larger loads. In contrast, the portable washing machine has a smaller capacity of 16 liters, which is suitable for small items like underwear and baby clothes. This difference in capacity can significantly impact your laundry efficiency, especially if you have larger loads to wash. The Erivess features a twin tub design that allows you to wash and spin simultaneously, enhancing efficiency. On the other hand, the portable washing machine integrates washing and spinning in a single tub, making it easier to handle but potentially less efficient for larger loads. This functionality difference is crucial for users who prioritize speed and convenience in their laundry routine. Price is always a significant factor when choosing a washing machine. The Erivess Compact Mini Twin Tub is priced at $203, reflecting its larger capacity and additional features like a drying rack and hangers. In contrast, the portable washing machine is much more budget-friendly at $77, making it an attractive option for those looking for a portable solution without breaking the bank. However, it's essential to weigh the cost against the features and capacity to determine the best value for your needs. In conclusion, both the Erivess Compact Mini Twin Tub and the portable washing machine offer unique advantages for compact living. The Erivess excels in capacity and functionality, while the portable washer stands out for its affordability and portability. Consider your laundry needs and space constraints when making your choice. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews.